Driving on the highway in the rain is one of the most underestimated hazards drivers face. Reduced visibility, poor traction, and unpredictable behavior from other drivers, all combine to increase risk. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 essential defensive driving tips that will help you stay safe on the highway when it's raining, especially in heavy pouring rain. Stick around, we'll be right back with that information. Tip number 1, make sure you can see. Wipers, glass, and defrost. Your first priority in the rain is visibility. Make sure your windshield wipers are in good condition and clearing water effectively. Streaking wipers dramatically reduce visibility, especially at highway speeds. Just keep the inside and the outside of the glass clean. A dirty windshield causes glare and makes rain much harder to see through. Know how to use your defrost properly. If your windshield starts fogging up, turn on the defrost immediately. If your vehicle has air conditioning, use it, even in the rain. The air conditioning removes moisture from the air and helps keep the glass clear. Products like Rain-X and similar water repellent treatment can also help rain beat off the windshield, improving visibility in heavy rain. Tip number 2, increase your following distance to 4 to 6 seconds. In dry conditions, a safe following distance is usually 2 to 3 seconds. In the rain and reduced visibility, that's not enough. Increase your following distance to 4 to 6 seconds on the highway. Wet roads increase stopping distance, and sudden braking by the vehicle ahead can quickly lead to a rear-end collision. Giving yourself extra space gives you more time to respond to changing traffic and road conditions. Brake early and smoothly to stay in control, especially at highway speeds. If you're preparing for your driver's test, or you simply want to be a safer, smarter driver, subscribe to the Smart Drive Test channel for clear, practical driving advice that helps you stay safe and pass your driving test first time. Tip number 3, slow down and watch for hydroplaning. Good tires matter. When it's raining, traction is reduced. Hydroplaning happens when your tires lose contact with the road surface. Owing to speed and poor quality tires, your tires become water skis riding on top of the water. This is far more likely if you're driving too fast or if your tires are worn. Make sure your vehicle has good quality tires with proper tread depth. Tires are your only contact with the road, and worn tires dramatically increase the chance of losing control in wet conditions. If you feel the vehicle hydroplane, do not brake suddenly. Ease off the accelerator, keep the steering straight, and allow the tires to regain traction. Tip number 4, expect heavy spray from large vehicles and semi-trucks. One of the biggest visibility challenges in the rain is spray from large vehicles, especially semi-trucks. When you pass a truck, expect a sudden wall of water that can completely block your view for a moment or two. Be prepared for this by maintaining steady steering, avoiding sudden lane changes, and increasing space around large vehicles whenever possible. If visibility becomes poor due to spray, slow down slightly and wait for clear conditions before passing. Tip number 5, turn your headlights to the on position, not auto. In the rain, others need to see you. Remember, driving is a social activity. Turn your headlights to the on position, not the automatic setting. This ensures your taillights are on, making you visible to other drivers approaching from behind, especially in heavy rain or spray. Many drivers rely on daytime running lights without realizing their taillights are off. That's dangerous in reduced visibility and can easily lead to a rear-end collision. Also, never use cruise control in heavy rain. Cruise control can cause loss of traction to worsen if the vehicle begins to hydroplane. You need full control of speed and throttle input at all times in wet conditions. Highway driving in the rain requires patience, awareness, and defensive driving habits. Make sure you can see clearly, slow down to avoid hydroplaning, increase your following distance to 4 to 6 seconds, anticipate the spray from large vehicles, and ensure your lights are fully on. And remember, pick the best answer, not necessarily the right answer. Have a great day. Bye now.